Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see the best Roblox games that you can play with your friends. Roblox is all about playing games with your friends. There's so many different games that you can play as a multiplayer with your friends. To play with your friends on Roblox, you first have to make sure that you guys are friends on your Roblox account. Then simply open it up and play any game that you guys like. If you have the same interest in games, like you like playing the car games, you like the fighting games, or any specific game, you guys can play it. The best thing is to just simply search by the name of that game or by just simply the category, like the car games. Then there will be so many different car games, racing games. You can play anything, whatever you like. You can check out these ratings, and you can also check out how many downloads or plays this game has. By that you will get the idea that this game has good rating, so you can play that game. Simply open the game, add your friends within that through the same server, and you guys can play the games. There's literally not a single game that I'm gonna say that you should play this one, because there are hundreds and thousands of games available. Just simply search it by their name. The games will be there. Add your friends within that and enjoy the game. If you guys share the same interest, then simply go and find something related to it and start playing. Almost every game is a multiplayer game. You can go within that and you can then invite your friend to play with you. After that you will be able to enjoy the game together. The best way to find is by looking these numbers. If these numbers shows like good rating and much plays, that means this game is good and this is the best game, so you can play those games. So that's how you will be able to enjoy the best games on Roblox. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.